Welcome to our step-by-step guide to overcoming shopping addiction. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and techniques to help you break free from the cycle of compulsive buying. Whether you find yourself constantly browsing online stores or splurging on unnecessary items, this guide will empower you to take control of your shopping habits. Before we delve into the strategies to overcome shopping addiction, it's essential to understand what it is and why it happens. We will explore the psychological and emotional triggers that contribute to compulsive buying, as well as the negative effects it can have on your financial well-being and overall quality of life. In this scene, we will discuss the common signs of shopping addiction. By understanding these signs, you will be able to identify whether you have a shopping problem and address it appropriately. We will provide real-life examples and scenarios to help you relate and gain clarity on your own behavior. To overcome shopping addiction, it's crucial to set realistic goals. In this section, we will guide you through the process of defining your goals and creating an action plan. We will explore strategies such as setting a budget, making a shopping list, and practicing mindfulness to help you stay focused on your objectives. Shopping addiction often stems from using shopping as a way to cope with negative emotions or stress. In this scene, we will discuss alternative healthy coping mechanisms that can replace the urge to shop. We will provide practical tips and techniques to manage emotions, such as seeking support, practicing self-care, and engaging in fulfilling hobbies. In order to overcome shopping addiction, it's essential to shift your mindset and develop a healthier relationship with money and material possessions. We will explore mindset-changing techniques, including gratitude practices, minimalism, and understanding the true value of experiences over material goods. If you find that your shopping addiction is significantly impacting your life and you're unable to overcome it on your own, seeking professional help can be beneficial. We will discuss the importance of therapy, counseling, and support groups in battling addiction and provide guidance on how to find the right resources. Congratulations! You have taken the necessary steps to overcome shopping addiction. This final scene will focus on maintaining your progress and preventing relapse. We will provide strategies to stay motivated, avoid triggers, and cultivate a mindset of long-term success. Remember, it's a journey, and with consistent effort, you can lead a fulfilling and financially healthy life. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide to overcoming shopping addiction. We hope the techniques and insights shared in this video will inspire you to take control of your shopping habits and lead a more balanced life. Remember, change is possible, and you have the power to create a brighter future free from the shackles of compulsive buying.